In today's episode, we're going to try to bake authentic Neapolitan pizzas. When making the dough, it's important to carefully weigh all of your ingredients before mixing. I'm putting the full recipe and ingredients in the description. Today we use all-purpose flour because we weren't able to find 00 because of the quarantine. However, type 00 is recommended because of its improved texture and low gluten content. This will make the pizza have a thin layer of crunch, while the inside is poofy, moist and airy. Another tip is to use cold water, because we're looking for a slow rise, which will help with the much desired leopard spots. Keep kneading the dough for about 20 minutes without adding any more flour. It will initially be very sticky, but as you keep working the dough, the texture will improve. Once your dough comes together, it's time to let it rest for at least 24 hours. Brush it with some olive oil to avoid it from drying out and cover it with a damp cloth. For the sauce, we're going traditional. San Marzano tomatoes, basil, salt and pepper. I'm just letting the sauce come to a boil and reduce, and at the same time it's absorbing all those delicious smoky flavors from the wood. At this time your dough is ready. You can use it to make pizzas, or you can let it proof for an additional 24 to 36 hours in the fridge, where it will develop even more intense flavors and aromas. When you're working with the dough, carefully push it out from the centers to the side. Don't roll it out. This way you preserve the tiny air bubbles that will make your pizza insanely fluffy and airy. Stretch the dough using your knuckles and gravity. The perfect round shape comes with time and practice. We're going to make a couple of pizzas today, ham and cheese for the kids and Margherita for ourselves. For Neapolitan pizzas, temperature and time is key. You really want to be using a wood-burning pizza oven where you reach a temperature of 800 degrees and you can cook your pizza in about 90 seconds. All right, guys. Here we are today with Chef Beto's in the house. And we have a pizza night. Pizza Margherita. Earlier you guys saw we did a pizza for the kids. You know, they were hungry, so we tried to get them out of the way first with a ham and cheese pizza. And we made a pizza Margherita. Thanks, man. First time making pizza.
Yeah, first time. I saw some recipes, YouTube, and some recipes online. And
How do you think?
excited to try this out. Basically, we let the dough, ferment for 72 hours. I don't know if that's...
I've never done that.
Yeah, I don't know.
I cannot do that. I mean, that's one of the reasons I never do pizza, because I read about that. You know, if you want perfect dough, 72 hours, I'm not patient enough.
Yeah, they say ferment it for a couple of days.
Yeah.
Basically, it lets the flavors develop and
Yeah.
the gluten, not to be that strong, so you can digest better.
Yeah.
But
okay.
it's not that bad. You can see
No, it's beautiful. Look at that.
super airy dough.
I've never had a pizza like that. I think it might be because of that, because I don't wait. You know, I always do pizza. I do the dough, 2 hours. I let it rise, and that's it. But I mean, this is amazing. I wish my pizza comes out like this. I mean, it's super thin. Look
Looks
at this.
airy.
Can I have this
Looks
piece?
like yes. You can have it. Yeah.
I mean, this looks amazing. And look, a little bit of char, a little basil, a little tomato, I mean, this piece has everything we want. Let's go for it. Grab one too. Come on.
Okay, let's do it.
This is a taste test.
Yep.
Tell me if the first pizza ever turned out amazing or what. That's crunchy. Oh man. I love it.
First pizza is not that bad.
You're crazy.
No.
Anybody would kill for this.
I think I think the dough is the most challenging part.
Yeah.
Of the pizza. It's what holds the pizza
It's great.
together.
You're crazy.
I
Tough
wanted
on
more.
yourself.
I wanted more like Leopold spots.
Yeah, but I mean, look at this thing. I mean, thin crust. I mean, look at the tomato. The tomato is like 3 times as thick as the dough. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Great. I love it. And you end up with your little bit of a pizza stick. Pizza sticks like the ones you get in the commercial ones. And you can dip it in your sauce. Go for it. You got as much sauce as you want. Oh.
Yeah, with the dough, you're treating like with a living, breathing
Incredible.
thing. So
This is
it's
comfort
challenging.
food,
Yeah.
We're stuck at home. We're cooking. This is amazing. Thank you.
It's good. It's really good.
Awesome.
First time doing pizza.
I guess, I mean,
Feel
you
good.
can, in everything, you can reach like an expert level, like a
Yeah.
pro level, right? And it's, I guess what they say is, when you start very, very, very fast, you can feel like, oh, I dominate this.
Yeah.
And then you kind of, you over that first like hurdle, and then you realize, oh my God, like, it gets really complicated.
No, it is.
And then to really
No.
master it, it will take you the next 50 years.
But no. Basically, there's so many burgers. Like like first time using this oven.
Yeah.
For you too.
Yeah.
You need to know your oven, know that all the ingredients.
Yeah. It's an art, it's an art. And then, come on, we got to do another video where we kind of spin the dough in the air and that kind of stuff. Take it to the next level.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just me. I wanted more like leopard spots in my dough.
What, like a little more char? A little more char?
Yeah. Have you seen like the Neapolitan,
Yeah, kind of
original?
bubbles,
Yeah,
right? Bubbles,
yeah,
and you get
yeah.
like these little like char
Yeah.
bursting
Yeah.
bubbles, sort of.
Yeah.
That's flavor.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
like discussion online that maybe
Yeah.
leopard spots is more aesthetic than flavor.
No,
but it
flavor.
but it looks good.
Charcoal people know it's
Yeah.
flavor.
Yeah, yeah, but not bad for first time doing pizza.
I mean, look, there's a lot of right things about this. For me, really thin crust, great. It's crunchy, it's yummy, it's great. And then, I mean, just look at the cheese. Yeah, you hear the crunch,
Yeah.
and then look at the cheese. Here you have a little bit of char. Here, the cheese is charred. Like, has a little bit of kind of caramelization to it. I mean, what more do you want? It's awesome. It's brilliant. Yeah. No, don't beat yourself up. I mean, sure, you can always improve, but this is amazing.
yeah, what I was saying, you have to know your oven. because sometimes it's too
Little
hot
char?
from the bottom.
Yeah. But you don't taste it. Look, mine has a little char. I mean, it tastes good to me.
Juan, do you want to have a
I
slice?
love it.
Wrap it up. Let the light is like going out.
Oh man. We're not gonna wrap up anytime soon. We're gonna wrap up after the pizza finishes, you guys. You know,
Are we doing more pizza?
my butt is on fire. All right, 5, 4,
4, 3,
2, 3, 1.
2, 1.
All right, guys. I think we gave you a nice little look at how it is to make pizza at home. Thanks again, Beto, for trying it out for the first time. And really, in my opinion, you totally aced it. Can you improve? I mean, always, right? But really, I would give this pizza, like a...
6?
No! like at least a 7.
Okay.
7 out
Okay,
of 10.
7.
Like
I'm good with
very,
that.
very good. With a little room of improvement. It's really an 8 out of 10. 7.5, 8 out of 10. It's really good. What can you do better? Yeah, I mean, you know, like with the crust a little bit, but I mean, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's great stuff.
Sep.
Well done. All right, guys. So, try pizza at home. Try something new. Don't be afraid of it. You don't need a fancy oven necessarily. You can do it in your grill. They sell these pizza stones or like baking steels. There's all kinds of accessories you can get for any grill, really. The key really here is the temperature. You want to, you know, anything you cook, you want to cook at the right temperature.
I'm putting the time into it, right?
Yeah. And yeah, try it out for yourself. And don't forget, if you like this episode, please like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and leave us a comment. Thank you so much, and see you again next week. Bye.